Hey Roses, it's Alina from Alina Roseanne, and I am coming to you from my soon-to-be old apartment. This will be my last day in here, so I'm clearing stuff out. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I even brought my camera, but no memory card. So we're going to do it from this front-facing phone. And yeah, and y'all, long story on that, but it's front facing only right now because I broke the rear facing camera. Yeah, issues. Anyway, I want to do a quick unboxing with y'all. What I would really love is if you would go ahead and subscribe. Please go ahead and do so. I would surely appreciate it. Reason being is because I would love for you to enjoy my rose garden. But not only that, this apartment is where I began filming YouTube videos about 3 years ago, over 200 videos ago, with just my phone camera. So something that we're doing it this way, right? So anyway, go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this. This is a unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it, from Teacup Cosmetics. Thanks, Teacup Cosmetics, for sending me these products here. I did purchase a few of them, but she did go ahead and send me some others, so I want to go ahead and share those with you really quick. So I've already opened the package but I haven't put on anything. So looking in here, I have several pairs of lashes. So we have the Karina lashes. See if you guys can see these. Cute, cute. We have the Ophelia lashes. Y'all see that? We'll be wearing those too. We have the Stephanie lashes. Yes, yes. What can you do with these? I'll do plenty. We have the Rosie lashes. Yes, Rosie. There goes Rosie. So a little bit of something if you're not really into lashes, but you want to have, you know, add something to what you have, go ahead and do that. Y'all, don't say nothing about my nails now. I've been moving for like 2 weeks, y'all, down 3 flights of steps, down a long pathway to a parking lot. And a lot of that moving, your girl did herself. Yeah, we strong around here. Anyway, going back to this. Next, we have the Debbie lashes. There you go. So you guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lashes. Everybody need lashes, right? You want to try out lashes? A great place to try out lashes is with Teacup Cosmetics. And don't forget to check the description box for my discount link, because you know what? I care about y'all. And sharing is caring, right? Right. Moving on, we have, this is a duo, and I forgot the name of the duo because, you know, I'm just doing this off the top of my head, but if I think of it, I'll go ahead and list it in the description box. But this is a liquid to matte lipstick by the name of Vixen. Get those fall colors ready, y'all. And we have the lip pencil to go with it. And as you can see, obviously, it goes right with it. So if you choose to wear it like this, with these 2 colors, or you can use a darker liner or a darker liquid to matte. And I like to do that a lot with all the other products I have already from Teacup Cosmetics. I like to take the darker liquid to matte, go around the outside, and then fill it in with whatever color. And if I want to put a gloss, I'll go ahead and put a gloss. And yes, she has glosses as well. So those 2. Now that I'm showing you guys these, I'll be able to wear them. I didn't feel right trying to wear them first and then show y'all, because, you know, you'll be like, where'd you get that? So let's go ahead and finish up. Okay. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. I had some more lashes in here. These are, ooh, look at those. These are the Sylvie lashes. Y'all know these is cute. Okay. And here goes the colors I ordered. Actually, during one of her sales, there's always sales. So make sure if you're not following Teacup Cosmetics on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you do that. And subscribe to the mailing list at teacupcosmetics.com because she be having sales, y'all, okay? So, I had to get another red. I hope I didn't just smudge it. Let me see. Y'all, I might have smudged it. Oh, let's see. Oh, no. See, that's what you get to be moving. Oh, why did I do that? See, you just don't do that. You don't do that with the good red. This is a good red. Now, if you've seen the other red that I've wore before all over Instagram, Facebook, you know, on YouTube, I've always wore Cherry, which is a liquid to matte, and it's true to color. All of her colors are true to color, and I love it. I really wasn't a fan of wearing a red lippy before because, you know, back in the days, I say, you know, if you have deeper skin tone, red don't look good for you, on you. That's what older folks used to say back in the day, but we ain't trying to hear that no more because there's a red for everyone, okay? So don't listen to what nobody else is saying. This particular red is Vibrant Vermilion. Again, don't look at my fingers, y'all. This is the color. Look at that. You already know it's gonna look cute. Follow me on Instagram at Olena Roseanne, and you guys will see me wear this. Okay? So that's the red. I had to get that red because I want to try a different one this time. And you know, if you know me, if you're paying attention, you know I love purple. This particular purple is called Velvet, and this is a, what am I trying to say? Y'all, I can't think of the word. It's a shimmer in it. You see that? It ain't just no flat purple. We got the shimmer, and if I think of the word, because I haven't had my coffee yet, I'll include that somewhere in this video too. I'm putting this on right now, even though my lips is kind of chapped, but you know what? I get a pass because I'm moving and, you know, I'm just wearing whatever right now. You see this? Yeah. We're pretending I'm working out. Well, actually, I am working out because going up 3 flights of steps, y'all, ain't no joke. But we're going to put this on for right now. We're just going to do it. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Y'all see what I'm... Oh, my gosh. True to color. You see that? Do you... Metallic. That is what I was looking for, y'all. It's a metallic purple. This is beautiful. What y'all think? So anyway, let me know in the comment field, have you ordered anything from Teacup Cosmetics already? Are you about supporting small female-owned black businesses? I hope you are, because I am. I got one myself. So I know what it takes. It's blood, sweat, and tears, y'all, just to keep on going, okay? So my girl, Tracy, the owner of Teacup Cosmetics, I've been supporting her from the start. As soon as I found out, that's it. Most of the colors I wear are from there. But guess what? I now have a discount code. So I want to share with y'all because you know, if you've been watching my videos, I mention Teacup Cosmetics all the time for years. Y'all see that purple? Again, that was Velvet. Do y'all see that? Anyway, so that's it for now. I need to go back to do what I gotta do so I can be out of this apartment all the way. I will come to you guys again with another video at some point. Make sure you catch up on all my old videos. Make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.